Most smart ceiling fans try to look futuristic, but once you actually use them, they end up feeling overpriced, gimmicky, or just unnecessary. But the Govee H1310 is getting attention for one reason. It's trying to combine serious airflow with a full smart RGB lighting setup. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Govee H1310 and whether this smart ceiling fan is actually worth. So on paper, the Govee H1310 sounds pretty impressive. You're not just getting a ceiling fan here, you're also getting a built-in RGB lighting system with support for over 16 million colors and brightness levels reaching around 2,800 lumens. That's honestly much brighter and more customizable than what most ceiling fans usually offer. And performance-wise, it also sounds solid. The fan reportedly pushes around 5,000 CFM of airflow while staying relatively quiet at roughly 30 decibels. So at least from a specs perspective, this doesn't look like some weak decorative gadget. Now, where things get interesting is the smart features. The Govee H1310 supports app controls and smart integrations, which means you can customize lighting effects, adjust fan speed, and manage settings directly from your phone. But here's the part where you should probably slow down before buying it. This product is still very new. That means long-term reliability is still mostly unknown right now. Early users seem pretty divided. Some people are praising the lighting quality and saying the RGB customization looks incredible in gaming rooms, bedrooms, or modern setups. Others, though, are mentioning limitations with smart home integrations, especially when using Matter-based systems or advanced automation setups. So while the hardware itself looks promising, the software experience may still need time to mature. Another thing to remember is that smart products always sound amazing during launch periods, but long-term durability and app support are what really determine whether a product stays useful after a year or two. So, is the Govee H1310 legit? Yes, it appears to be a real product from a known brand. But is it fully proven yet? Not really. If you love RGB lighting, smart home gadgets, and unique room setups, this fan definitely looks interesting. But if your main priority is reliability and stability, it might honestly be smarter to wait for more long-term reviews before spending the money. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below whether you'd actually put a smart RGB ceiling fan in your room. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.